Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up download quality in the Spotify app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, then we tap on settings and privacy, then we tap on media quality, and then we scroll down to the bottom until we find download quality, and here we have 5 options from which we can choose. It's either automatic, low, normal, high, or very high. And these are the levels from which we can select when determining the download quality that we want to have. Of course, higher download quality will necessitate a larger network bandwidth, and a lower one a smaller network bandwidth, but that's up to us. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.